So children, we were doing the studying about the leaf, and we have described properly, we have understood elaborately the parts of the leaf. Now we are going to start off learn about the functions of the leaf. The leaf is called the food factory of the plant. It prepares food for the plant by the process called photosynthesis. It uses water and a gas called carbon dioxide present in the air to make food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green substance found in leaves. It helps to trap sunlight for photosynthesis. So, function of the leaf is very important, and the most important function of the leaf is to prepare the food for the plant. So the leaf, that since it prepares the food for the leaf, it is called the food factory of the plant. It prepares the process by which the leaf prepares the food for the plant is called the photosynthesis. What it uses? It uses water from the soil and a gas called carbon dioxide. It absorbs the carbon dioxide from the air to make the food. And with what else it requires? It requires the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment or a green substance. Chlorophyll is a green pigment or the green substance present in the leaf which traps the sunlight, and it helps in the process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is a green substance found in the leaves. It helps to trap the sunlight for photosynthesis. So, in the chlorophyll, the sunlight is trapped. Then the carbon dioxide gets in, the water and the minerals also grows from the soil up above, and all these things goes through a photochemical reaction called the photosynthesis, and the food is made. Next important function. The leaf gives out oxygen during photosynthesis. Most living things need oxygen to live. So during the process of photosynthesis, the leaves absorb the carbon dioxide from the air, and after the process of photosynthesis is completed, oxygen is liberated, oxygen is given out to the air. This way the air is purified by the plants, and we all living things require the air or the oxygen. Without the leaves photosynthesis process, there would not have been enough oxygen for us to survive. Next is the leaves of some plants such as the jade plant store water and some food. So some of the leaves like the jade, they store the water and some food also. Some leaves are eaten by human and animals like the spinach, the coriander, the cabbage. They all are the leaves of the plants. So this is the function of the leaf, which says first and foremost, the food factory of the plant is the leaf, which it does through the process of photosynthesis. Then the leaves give out oxygen. That is very, very important. Otherwise, life on this earth would have demolished. And then it also stores the food and some water also in the leaf. Till this much we have done today. Next day we are going to start off with the flowers.